One of the ways to retain natural beautiful skin is by paying attention to what we eat from time to time. Unfortunately, a lot of people do not care about this as they don't know what a good diet can do to their skin. If you're watching this video, I believe you're not one of the former. It shows that you care about your body and you're willing to see to its maintenance. In today's video, I'll be unveiling the 7 most nutrient-dense foods that will transform your body. Make sure you watch till the end to get some shocking but amazing facts about nutrient-dense foods that you probably didn't know. Before we get into details, make sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications to get updates on new videos. Now, let's not keep you waiting. Before I list these foods, it is important to let you know what nutrient-dense foods are. Nutrient-dense foods are simply foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients. Nutrient-dense foods are healthy because they do not contain too much saturated fat, added sugars, and sodium. With this clear, let's check out the 7 most nutrient-dense foods that will transform your body. Number 7. Egg yolks. What is the first thing that came to your mind about egg yolks? Cholesterol. 7 out of 10 people will probably only talk about its cholesterol content and why you shouldn't eat it. However, by doing this we tend to close our eyes to other nutrients that this food has to offer. For example, did you know that egg yolk is one of the best nutrient-dense foods out there? Egg yolks contain and provide vital nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and other powerful nutrients like choline, a dietary supplement. Egg yolks are high in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help to protect your eyes and reduce the risk of eye diseases. Furthermore, eggs contain high-quality protein and can help with weight loss. Number 6. Sardines. These small, oily forage fish are not just tasty, they also supply important nutrients when eaten. Sardines are an excellent source of important vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, selenium, phosphorus, and more. Sardine contains, in bits, almost all the nutrients needed by your body to function. This is why sardine is one of the best nutrient-dense foods you should consider. Sardines are very high in healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and a serving of 4 sardines contains about 12 grams of protein. Most importantly, every part of a sardine fish should be eaten as its organs are also very nutritious. So the next time you buy your sardines, remember to eat all their parts. Number 5. Potatoes. Potatoes contain some of the most important nutrients needed by the body to function well, and that is why you should add them to your diet plan. They are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acids which help to neutralize disease-causing agents like free radicals which can be very toxic when accumulated. The starch in potatoes can improve your blood sugar control as they help to reduce insulin resistance when needed. Furthermore, potatoes are rich in potassium, magnesium, iron, copper, and manganese. And like sardines, they contain almost all the nutrients needed by your body in bits, so you should add them to your diet plan. Number 4. Salmon. Just like sardines, salmon fish are very high in healthy omega-3 fatty acids, a heart-healthy fat that fights against inflammation and supports brain health. These fish are also rich in important nutrients like selenium, an important nutrient that helps with DNA synthesis and reproductive health, phosphorus, and B vitamins which help to fight different common health conditions. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are sweet, fleshy fruits with outstanding nutritional values. According to Medical News Today, blueberries are considered a superfood and can help maintain healthy bones, reduce blood pressure, manage diabetes, and ward off heart disease. They are very rich in powerful antioxidants. Consistent consumption of blueberries has been said to improve memory in older people, so it is important to add it to their diet plan. To mention a few of its benefits, blueberries help to reduce the risks of heart disease, fight cancer, improve insulin sensitivity, and even fight depression. Number 2. Strawberries. Just like blueberries, strawberries are highly nutritious fruits that are packed with powerful antioxidants and vitamins. Strawberries are also a good source of manganese, potassium, and vitamin C. Research shows that strawberries provide more vitamin C than oranges. One of the antioxidants in strawberries, polyphenols, helps to support heart health and can prevent cancer. Number 1. Kale. Of all the nutrient-dense foods earlier mentioned in this video, kale is one of the best and most important vegetables that you should add to your diet plan. Kale nutrient values are important and outstanding. Kale is packed with vitamins, minerals, fiber, and cancer-fighting antioxidants. Above all, kale is notable for its richness in vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K1, some key vitamins needed by the body to function well. Kale is also rich in vitamin B6 and other minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, and manganese. I hope you noted these foods and I hope you'll add them to your diet plan soon. If you have a suggestion or any other concerns about some of the nutrient-dense foods listed in this video, please tell us in the comment section. And it's a wrap, guys. I hope you guys love and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the notification bell to keep receiving our updates. Thanks for watching.